All right, everybody, welcome back. Magnet Junkie here. Some of you, I would assume, might recognize this spot. Right about there is where we pulled out that Mercury boat prop. So it's been a little bit since I've been here. I'm gonna drop out the magnet, see what we can find. If we don't come up with anything, we've got another little park behind us that we're gonna go get to. We won't waste too much time. Let's get this magnet in the water. Everybody remember, if you need anything, a magnet, merchandise, any information, all that stuff will be in the description down below. Thank you. All right, guys, let's see what else we can get out of here. Well, first find of the day, big old piece of metal. Something else on there. We got there. One piece of metal. Oh, yeah. Oh, in the bucket. What do we got there? Well, yes, 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 yes. My favorite. That is a nice multi-tool right there, guys. Look at that. Nice. I'm gonna take that all day. See how it cleans up there. It's not even that deep. If oh, there we go. Part of a screwdriver. Oh, and there's another knife too. All right. Cool. Yeah, but if that was my prop, that water's not that deep. I would have got it. Yeah. What do we keep hitting here? Let's see. Oh, let's not see. Let's go back this way. Let's give me my grappling hook back or pull something out. I don't know. Whoa, look at all those bubbles. There's something down there. Okay, we got it. All right, well, it's a huge old log. Let's get off of that, if we can. Oh, crap. There we go. Big old log rebar sticking out. We don't need that. Oh, something, I knew something hit it. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. All right, we got another mag light. Nice, that's my second mag light. A big old fillet knife. Look at this guy. I knew I felt something. That's aggressive right there. That is aggressive. High carbon. No high carbon, no stain. Something. I can't tell what that is. Hold up. No, it's on there. Now guys, we're gonna drag along here for just a few more minutes and then we're gonna go hit this little spot under the bridge. The sun will be coming down soon and there's gonna be a lot of boats coming in and out. So we'll go ahead and get out of their way from over here and check out another spot. What in the world is that? It's definitely part of a motor. There's the wire from it, where it clicks in. What is that? Felt something hit it right at the end. I don't know, it's a smiley face. Alright guys, we're back. We went to check out the little spot underneath the bridge, which is right behind us, but there was a ton of people underneath there, so I'm not gonna bother them while they're fishing. I'm gonna drop out around here, see what we can find. I'll just start by dragging along the side. So a lot of you would get on me and ask why I'm not using my single-sided to jig along here. Again, this magnet's just different. It's magnetic all the way around. Oh, no way. Guys. I just found my first bullet. It's a shotgun shell. What? I'm in the middle of downtown. It says it right. Okay. Winchester 12 gauge. You guys see that? Wow. All right, well, let's see what else we got. Why in the world are people shooting shotguns here? Right there. Come on, babe. Ah, I knew I hit something. Look at that. It's like a fishing rod holder. There we go. It's a good find. That's perfectly good condition. Put it right in there. All right. Oh, no. Maybe it was a rock. Oh, yes! Ah, whoa. Ah! Hopefully that didn't get the camera. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what this one is. All right. I don't know too much about too many guns. All right, it's still, I know it's from a shotgun. It's clearly marked 12, but Fiocchi from Italy. You guys see that? I can't tell where my camera is because it's on the head mount. Oh my gosh. Look at Fiocchi. 1325 feet per, oh. Okay, 1,325 feet per second, 70 millimeter. Nice. That's so cool. Guys, don't forget, do me a big favor and drop a big thumbs up for me on this video if you like it. It's on there. That's another one of those deals. Gosh, I can never remember what people call these, but apparently it's something for night fishing. I don't know. I don't know. It looks like a tea light candle to me. All right. Once in a while, thing will just stop. What was that? Rock. What we got here? Hey, first bottle cap of the day. Looks like old Heineken or something. Yep. Hey, there's two on there. All right, pick your side. I know which side I'm on. Mike's versus Heineken. Come on, baby. Come here. What is it? it wants to come out. Come on. What? That, my friends, is a little crab pot that is going to be perfectly fine. Guys, that's perfect. This little crab pot is the kind I used to use in North Carolina. Trim cut will remember this. You just lower them down, put yourself a little hot dog, some chicken on there. It hits the ground, you just pull it back up. You got yourself some crabs. Super awesome find. Nice. What do we get? What is that? What is that? There's handles to a fishing rod. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today's trip. Man, I had such a good time. We got some cool stuff out again. Thank you all for tagging along. I appreciate it very much. We'll have another video coming up just as soon as possible. Everybody remember, get up, get out, and go find yourself. Peace out, guys.